Fresh air is essential for a comfortable and welcoming home. Proper airflow helps regulate indoor temperatures, reduces stuffiness, and creates a more enjoyable living environment. For homeowners in Rowlett, slider windows offer a practical and effective way to improve airflow throughout the home. Their simple design and ease of use make them a popular choice for properties where ventilation matters. Why airflow matters in everyday living. Without proper airflow, indoor air can feel stale and heavy. Everyday activities like cooking, cleaning, and daily movement all contribute to the need for fresh air circulation. In Rowlett properties, good ventilation helps maintain a comfortable atmosphere in living rooms, bedrooms, and shared spaces. Slider windows make it easier to introduce fresh air naturally. The horizontal design advantage: slider windows open horizontally along a track, allowing one or more panels to glide smoothly to the side. This design makes them easy to adjust and control. For Rowlett homeowners, the horizontal operation means airflow can be customized. Windows can be opened partially or fully depending on how much ventilation is needed, without creating strong drafts. Supporting consistent cross-ventilation airflow is most effective when air can move across a room. Slider windows are ideal for supporting cross-ventilation when placed on opposite walls or aligned with other openings. In Rowlett homes, this setup allows fresh air to enter while stale air exits naturally. Improved circulation helps rooms feel cooler and more comfortable throughout the day. Encouraging regular window use. Windows that are difficult to open often stay closed, limiting airflow. Slider windows are designed for smooth, simple operation. Rowlett homeowners are more likely to open slider windows regularly because they're easy to use. This encourages better ventilation habits and supports a fresher indoor environment. Improving comfort without disrupting living spaces. Some window styles require extra space to open inward or outward, which can interfere with furniture or walkways. Slider windows avoid this issue entirely. In Rowlett properties, slider windows improve airflow without affecting interior layouts. Furniture can be placed close to the window while still allowing ventilation. Managing airflow in smaller or narrow rooms with limited wall space can struggle with ventilation options. Slider windows fit well into narrow openings, making them ideal for compact spaces. Rowlett homeowners often install slider windows in kitchens, hallways, or smaller bedrooms where airflow is needed but space is limited. Reducing stuffy areas near windows. Older windows can restrict airflow or create uncomfortable areas near seating or workspaces. Slider windows help eliminate this problem. By allowing controlled ventilation, Rowlett homeowners notice improved comfort near window areas. Rooms feel more usable and less stagnant. Supporting balanced indoor comfort. Proper airflow helps regulate indoor temperatures by allowing heat to escape and fresh air to circulate. Slider windows help Rowlett properties maintain more balanced comfort without relying solely on indoor systems. This natural ventilation supports a pleasant living environment. Easy maintenance. For long-term performance. Slider windows have a simple track-based design that makes them easy to maintain. Smooth operation ensures airflow remains consistent over time. Rowlett homeowners benefit from windows that continue to perform well without complicated upkeep. A practical solution for better ventilation. Improving airflow doesn't require complex changes. Sometimes, the right window design makes all the difference. For homeowners in Rowlett, slider windows offer an effective way to improve airflow naturally. Their ease of use, space-saving design, and ventilation flexibility help create homes that feel fresher, more comfortable, and easier to enjoy every day.